Can't refresh your Instagram feed? Try this quick fix. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to strong Wi-Fi or stable mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that solves the issue. If your internet is fine and Instagram still won't refresh, move to the next fix. Step 2. Turn on and off airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait for 10 seconds. Tap it again to turn it off. Now reopen Instagram and check if your feed loads. Still not working? Let's keep going. Step 3. Disable VPN. Open the Settings app. Look for the VPN and turn off the toggle. If it doesn't work, scroll and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and click on VPN and Device Management. If a VPN is connected, turn off the toggle next to it. Now check if the issue is resolved. If the problem still continues, try next. Step 4. Enable Background App Refresh. In the Settings page, tap on General. Scroll and click on Background App Refresh. At the top, tap it again. Make sure Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data is selected. Once enabled, check Instagram again. Step 5. Offload the Instagram app. Go to the Settings app. Scroll and tap on General. Now select iPhone storage. Find Instagram and tap on it. Tap Offload app. Again, tap on it to confirm. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall app. After reinstall, check if the feed refresh is working or not. If not, try next. Any of the above steps should fix the issue. If it's still not working, try. Step 6. Update Instagram. Open the App Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. After updating, check your feed. Step 7. Delete and reinstall Instagram. Long press the Instagram app icon. From the pop-up, tap Remove app. Select Delete app. Again, tap it to confirm. Then, go to the App Store and search for Instagram and download the app. After installing, open the app and check if the feed is working or not. If not, then try next. Step 8. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button. Release when the Apple logo appears. After your phone restarts, open the Instagram and check again. Step 9. Reset network settings. In the Settings page, scroll and tap General. Again, scroll to the bottom. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap Reset. From the menu, select Reset Network Settings. Again, tap it to confirm. This will refresh all your network settings. Once your iPhone restarts, open Instagram and refresh your feed. The issue should be fixed, and that's it.